Did you know that with your EC3PA account, you can install Microsoft Office applications, including Word, PowerPoint, and Excel for free? Here's how. First, go to portal.office.com. Then log in with your EC3 credentials. It will take you to the Copilot page. Click Apps on the bottom left, and then click Install Apps at the top right. Choose Microsoft 365 apps. From here, click Install Office. If you see this prompt next, select Yes. If you need any help with installation, please see any Student Services staff member or email our IT help desk at help@ec3pa.org. Thank you.